Dear students, in the last video lesson from the chapter Emerging Modes of Business, you are going to learn and develop concepts regarding what is outsourcing and how it is beneficial for the business sector. So we have to learn what is the concept of BPO and KPO. First one is outsourcing and business process outsourcing. Every business field is very dynamic and fast moving with the aim of earning maximum profit. So they have to depend maximum concentration on the core activities in the business, especially related to production and the distribution of business products. At that time, they can't look on the subsidiary activities, non-core activities related to the business, which will never give direct influence on the business activities. So every business firm who is able to pay a good amount of compensation can use some outside agencies support, mainly maybe for example the transportation of employees in a business organization or cleaning the floors in a business area, lift operators, security guards are examples for outsourcing agencies. Lot of other services are there. We will learn in detail. Before that, what is BPO? Business activities are fast changing in the dynamic world you know very well. The last decade, a new concept has evolved in the business era, that is BPO. It is nothing else. It is a system of getting a business activity accomplished through an outside agency. Accomplished through an outside agency. An outside agency will help the business people to complete the non-core business activities. So examples are here: transportation of raw materials from one factory to the production place, then transportation of workers from the canteen, then recruitment of employees from the recruiting agency are examples. So we have to develop more about why it is needed in business area, why business process outsourcing is needed. Remember the term process outsourcing. Some activities are given for the outside agency, nothing else. Why it is? Because due to the demanding product by variety of customers, and sometimes the product needs more quality. At that time business can concentrate only in quality of the product at fair prices. They will never give much importance for the non-core activities. Then also, in order to coping with the new technologies of production, they have to bring the changes with the help of outsourcing agencies. So whenever there is a new production technology is available, they have to depend on the outside agency for giving training and to for the installation of machine also. So remember, some benefits are there for the outsourcing process. Every time it helps to improve companies' focus on the core activity. Also, it helps for reducing the operating expenses, and it helps for improving the quality of the products, and it provides an opportunity to access the expertise, expert people's assistance. Then world class technologies can be brought into the production area. Always outsourcing helps to beat the competition with the other business people. So remember the benefits. We will discuss the same points in the advantages area also. So remember that points of benefits. The same is here. What is the advantage of outsourcing the non-core activities? First one is it enables the business to concentrate on areas in which it has core competency is needed. So it enables outsourcing of non-core activities, helps the business to concentrate only on the important activities. Outsourcing agencies are specialized in their fields, so better quality will be given for the business organization. Then it can obtain the service. It can obtain the services provided by outsourcing agencies at lower cost. Then it can get the advices of the experts from the outsourcing agencies. Then it reduces the labor problem in the organization. Labor turnover can be reduced. So, a lot of advantages are there for business outsourcing. So, what are the core outsourcing services? Financial services, advertising services, courier services is there, then customer support services are also there. So remember, these all are the core outsourcing services. Then what is KPO? Another improvement and supporting concept for the business, that is KPO. Knowledge process outsourcing. Here, the valid information is collected with the support of outsourcing agencies. KPO refers to obtaining high-end knowledge from outside agencies in order to run the business successfully and with the maximum cost-effective manner. Here, the business is getting knowledge expertise from the outsourcing field. It may be in different forms like it may be in different forms like research and technical analysis, business and technical analysis, business and market research, animation and design. So in these all forms, business is getting support like KPO, knowledge process outsourcing. So remember what is the concept of knowledge process outsourcing. Very important for the running of the organization. So thank you for watching the videos in the chapter emerging forms of business. Remember, it is very essential for your future also emerging modes of business. So develop your own concept and watch the videos again and again. Thank you.